Hey guys, happy January 2nd. Guess what? I'm still having some major tummy issues. Like, I have not had any real solid food since what? Sunday? I had soup yesterday, held it down just fine. I felt great. Then this morning I woke up and all of my symptoms came back. So I am today's food of choice is crackers, organic chicken broth, and Gatorade. I tell you guys, I am so freaking annoyed with this stomach problem of mine. Why? Because, oh, hold on. There we go. I am trying so hard to get back on my weight loss journey. I'm trying so hard at it to get back on it because I've just been stuck for weeks now. And I just can't seem to, get right with myself. I feel like complete failure right now, and I know it's not my fault. My stomach's just, the normal stomach medicines I take are just not working, and I don't know, it's just been something that's been going on for weeks, and now all of a sudden I feel like I've got a virus, and I just wish it would end. I mean, luckily I have not gained any weight, but I also have not lost anything because it's like I'm retaining a bunch of crap. And sorry guys, a lot of customers have been messaging in today because it's the first of the month. And at the first of the month, all they want to do is cancel their subscriptions. So I'm finally getting around to messing with my new gadgets that I've got, and one of them is the Instapot that I have not taken out of the box yet. And dang, was this thing packaged good. Ton of tape on this sucker. Just wow, the amount of tape on this sucker. I've been at it for like minutes now. So this is a Christmas present that somebody got me off of Mercari. Yep, I had 2 Christmas presents off of Mercari. So I got my New Wave air fryer, and now I've got the Instapot. Check her out. Okay, so this is the 7-in-1 multi-use 8-quart. Oh, I can't wait. I used to have something like this. That was just a rice cooker. And I had it for years, and it just one day just up and kicked the bucket on me. And I have been hurting for something to replace it ever since. And then my sister showed me her Instapot, and I fell in love. So now every single time I go over to my sister's house, I sit there and watch her cook with it. And now I have one of my own. I'm so excited. Now I know a few of my keto buddies has one of these. So if you guys have any recipes, feel free to share them. Okay. So let's see. I love it. I love it. So far, so good. So the lady where this shipped from has had this sitting in box for like 6 months. Got it for her birthday. Never took it out. stinking milk. Just like my new wave. Brand stinking milk. Oh, here comes Tommy. Oh, man. Check it out. I am so excited about this. I have heard a few stories about these things having some accidents with them. However, I believe it was probably due to operator error. So if you do not read the instructions on how to operate one of these suckers, if you don't pay attention to what you are doing, then you are very likely to get hurt, you know. So before, even though I have seen my sister use this countless times, before I use it, or I'm going to read everything on it on how to operate it, and we'll go from there. So I kind of already have an idea as to what I want to do with it for the first time around, so I do need to get some stuff thawed out, but first I need to make sure that I have everything I need from the box. One thing I do already know from watching my sister work this, now yeah, obviously mine's not plugged in, okay, but if you are able to do this, if your machine is done and you're able to do this, you're able to lift the lid off, then it's safe. But you always want to make sure that this thing is completely twisted and has released all pressure. So let's take a look on the inside now and see. Oh my gosh. I am at work right now. I'm waiting for customers to respond. Still time. Check this out. Okay, that's one. What else is supposed to come with this? Looks like some scoops. 1, 2, 3, 4 scoops in there. Awesome. And then this part. I thought that this came with, and maybe it's down in here. Nope, it doesn't. Give me a second, guys. No, this would be the rice cooker part of it. Yeah. Oh. Tommy's checking it out. Check this out. 2/3, 1/2. I cannot wait to break this baby in. I'm so excited. So, okay. So after I get off of work, I'm going to wash this baby. And then I'm going to figure out what I can do with it. And of course, make sure heating element is free from grease and debris. Do not leave food on heating element. Only in the genuine Instapot. Inner pots for cooking. Remove card, of course, before use. Hey guys, so the Instapot is in the background there. It's on, and it's got some really awesome smelling, hopefully going to turn out really good bone broth in it. I kind of took 2 recipes and took an idea from them. I am using beef bone that's used for soups that I got from the meat produce store. I did not have a lot of fresh vegetables that I could throw in it right now because they're I didn't have any celery or anything like that in the house because I have not bought any in a few days because my tummy's been so tore up. So all I had to throw in it was Himalayan salt and garlic cloves. So I put in like 5 or 6 cloves of garlic and a ton of salt. So, and I've got it cooking for 2 hours. And then I'm going to strain it, and I'm probably going to use some of the meat actually in the bone broth itself. So, because I like meat in my soups actually. So, yep. So, I'm hoping that it turns out good. You know, so I saw this recipe on Keto Connection for bone broth. When you cool it and the fat rises to the top, and you can kind of make it kind of looks like a bone broth smoothie with you know, the healthy fat, and then a tablespoon of butter and hot water, and you just mix it together, and well, you blend it, and oh my gosh, what were they calling that? Kind of like a keto. It's kind of like the keto bomb coffee, but instead it's bone broth bomb type thing. So well, let's see what, you know, happens with this bone broth, and see, you know, maybe I can try and make something like that too and see. We'll find out. Okay, it's venting now. I don't know if y'all can see the steam, but it sure smells good. Oh my God, does it smell good. Wow. Totally cool. It's almost done. Okay. No, it smells like picanha, but it's not picanha. Let's take a look. Oh, wow, look at all of that. It's bone broth.
It looks good.
Wow, look at that. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my God. Look at this. Wow. Oh my God. Look. Nummy, nummy. I'm just going to let it cool down. Hey guys, it's me. It's about 12:30 at night, Friday morning. So I just wanted to check in with you guys and just, you know, kind of finish this video up and let you guys know that I'm feeling a lot better. And the first set of bone broth that I made in the Instapot came out awesome. And I got 20 cups out of it. So I've got some of it in the refrigerator, just ready to go, drink, whatever. And then I've got a portion of it stored away in the freezer for later usage. So it's, I tried it today. Well, I taste tested it last night. And then I tried it today, and it works. It tastes awesome, and Lizzie's in love with it too. So we are going to be keeping that, try to keep that as a regular in the house for a while. So yep, so the bone broth rocked. I can't wait to make an even better one. You know, me work with what I got in my fridge, because I'm broke as a joke. Even when I got money, I'm broke as a joke. So, but yeah, so I'm feeling better. I am going to be starting back on my weight loss journey Monday. I'm giving my body a few days to reset and go from there. If I feel well enough later on today, I will be going on a walk. I got to get back to my walking. I hated not walking. I really do miss it. So that's how I clear my mind and I think better. All right, guys. So that's it. Monday, come rain or shine, as long as my belly is feeling better. And it's funny because I told Lizzie, I said, if I am not feeling better by the end of the day, come Thursday, that mama would be calling a doctor, any doctor, even my cuckoo doctor if I had to. If it came down to it, I would have gone to the emergency room. I was really trying not to go there, though. But if it came down to it, I would have gone there, But I told Lizzie, come Thursday night, if Mama still wasn't feeling better, that Friday morning, she'd be on the phone with a doctor somewhere, somehow making it happen. And maybe it's my prayers, or maybe my tummy just decided to stop fighting me, but I'm feeling better. So cross our fingers, keep praying that my belly subsides and leaves me the hell alone for a while. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. I will check back in with you guys in a few days. All right, so if you like what you see, feel free, hit the like, subscribe, share, and comment, all of those good things. And if you didn't already do this, walk on over to Lizzie's channel, Batgirl Action Girl, and check out her video that we did last night, technically last night. Wednesday night? Yep, it was Wednesday night. And because while I was pressure cooking, she was baking gluten-free cookies that just looked like they were to die for. And no, I did not touch them, but she swears they were awesome. You're still up? It's 12:30ish. Girl, get to bed. I can't wait for school to start back up. All right, guys, talk to you later. I love you all. Bye.